Here you go, Mustang fans. Check this one out, and it is a beauty. 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1 sports roof or fastback. R code car, 428 Cobra jet underneath the hood. 4-speed, close ratio, manual transmission, power brakes. Nicely restored, refinished in the correct yellow color, black interior. Take a look at the chrome up front on this one and the grille. One of my absolute favorite years in a Mustang, the 70. Chin spoiler. As you can see, paint shows very well. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see this car from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Magnum style wheel. Goodyear Eagle GT2 radials. And look up and down this passenger side. You can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint looks like it's wet on this car. You talk about a head turner, your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. I have a feeling this one will take home some trophies, no doubt about that. Of course, the high back, bucket seat, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. Yep, it's Jason's lucky day. He gets to take this one for a drive. Louvers, rear wing, dual exhaust with Flowmasters. In with the still pictures, you're also going to see a Marty report. Real deal. It breaks it all down for you. Talks about those high back bucket seats, the shaker hood and scoop, competition suspension, those Magnum style wheels, color keyed racing mirrors, tachometer, AM, FM radio, and more options will be listed on that Marty report. Check it out. Again, all the still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. Front brakes are disc. It brakes straight. No pulls left or right. Brakes are 80% in the front, 85% in the front, 80% in the rear. New rear wheel cylinders. Tires are in good shape. And you can see up and down the driver's side, also free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. That paint, again, looking wet on this side. I think we need to take a little closer look at this interior before we start it up. Let's hear it run. Also nicely restored interior. Take a look at the door panels, carpeting, seats. I have had the AM, FM radio working. Headliner, good shape. And you'll see the interior from every angle too. There's probably 20 to 30 pictures online and with all the others of just the interior itself. All right, let's fire this up. Again, R code. We're gonna let it warm up just a tad bit. Top of the dash looking good. That wood grain finish, nice shape. Radio working. Sounds like we got a little cam. A little low be idle. Listen to this. Single turn heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Ooh. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and then like I said, Jason's going to take it for a drive. Show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood with a hole in it. The best way. All right, here it is. The bad boy. 428 Cobra Jet, power brakes, battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. Great looking engine bay. Look how smooth that's running. Beautiful car, 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback or sports roof. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today, let's go for a ride in a 1970 Ford Mustang. This one says 428 on the hood, Cobra Jet, Mach 1 on the dash. Got a Hurst handle on this 4-speed shifter. The hood is even a shaker style hood. Ready to go. Yellow and black. Get much more iconic than this car. Center console, bucket seats in black. We've got a working stereo in the dash. The wipers work. The blower motor also works on the HVAC system. Our temperature gauge is reading about a third of the way up from cold. Speedometer working. Tachometer working. The fuel gauge reads a little over a quarter of a tank. Wood grain in the dash, of course. Via 1970, you're going to have some wood grain. And it's beautiful. Let's go into the traffic circle in second gear. Corner's nice and flat. For what it is, it's a good corner. Sounds good, clutch feels good, easy to shift. What more can you ask for? 1970 Ford Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.